In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view team members in Hubstaff. Whether you're new to Hubstaff or just looking to make the most out of its features, understanding how to easily access and manage your team members is crucial. Let's dive into how you can quickly see who is part of your team and where to find them in Hubstaff. First, once you're logged into your Hubstaff account, direct your attention to the left sidebar. It's like the control hub of your dashboard, giving you quick access to all the main features you need. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled People, or in some setups, it could be named Members. This section is specifically designed to give you a comprehensive view of everyone involved in your projects and on your team. Clicking on People or Members will take you to the Members page. This is where you'll find a list that includes everyone within your organization or specific team. The layout is intuitive, presenting you with a clear, organized view of each member's details. Now, why is this page so important? Well, the members page is not just a list. It's a dynamic tool that lets you stay updated with who's part of your team at any given time. Each entry will typically provide key information about the members, such as their role within the team, their status, be that active or inactive, and sometimes even their last activity timestamp on the platform. This can be particularly useful for project managers and team leaders to monitor and manage team dynamics efficiently. Let's go over a couple of tips to enhance your experience while you're on this page. If you're managing a particularly large team and need to find someone quickly, look for a search bar or filtering options on the members page. This allows you to easily zero in on the person you're looking for without having to scroll through an extensive list. Furthermore, the members page can be a valuable starting point for understanding team structure and responsively scaling or adjusting member roles as projects evolve. It helps ensure that you always know who's involved in what and can assist in making any necessary adjustments to keep your team running smoothly. In summary, by utilizing the left sidebar